When you open the puppy steel fence panel, the kit will include 3 horizontal rails, 16 long vertical rails, 15 short vertical rails, 3 connectors, 2 short connectors, and all the pins required for assembly. The rail with the most square holes is the bottom rail for the panel. Lay the middle and bottom horizontal rails out so that they are facing the same direction. Ensure the larger space fold in the channel of the rail is facing upward. Starting at the first square hole, insert all the longer vertical rails with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. And skip 1 hole for every long vertical rail inserted into the bottom horizontal rail. Insert the smaller vertical rails into the bottom horizontal rails, lining up all the pre-drilled holes of all the vertical rails. Place one of the rubber connectors over the lower pre-drilled holes so the thickest part of the connector is towards the top of the panel, and insert the pins in all the pre-drilled holes of the vertical rails. With a rubber mallet, gently hit the bottom of the vertical rails, inserting the rubber connectors and pins completely into the lower horizontal rail channel. Place a second rubber connector on the top of the vertical rails and insert a few pins into the end of the connector and vertical rails. Then, starting from one end, use the mallet to slip the connector and pins into the middle horizontal rail channel until the entire rubber connector and all of the pins are completely inserted into the middle horizontal rail channel. Place the metal connector on the top of the panel and insert the rest of the pins, then slide the top rail over the top of the panel, ensuring the vertical rails, pins, and metal connectors are all completely inserted horizontal top rail channel. Stand the panel up and using your mallet, make certain that the rails are properly in place. Repeat these steps for each section of paneling.